so small and so strong. B is for bunny, who hops all day long. C is for cat, with a purring sound. D is for dog, who turns around and round. E is for elephant, big and so great. F is for fish, who swims all the day. G is for giraffe, with a neck way up high.
Let's sing the alphabet, come on and clap your hands. With animals from A to Z, across the sun-kissed lands. From the ant to the zebra, hear the sounds they make. Learning all your ABCs is fun, for goodness sake, yeah.
H is for hippo, in the water deep. I is for iguana, falling fast asleep. J is for jaguar, with spots so fine. K is for kangaroo, with a pouch design.
L is for lion, the king of the jungle. M is for monkey, who loves to play and mingle. N is for newt, by the pond so cool. Let's sing the alphabet, come on and clap your hands. With animals from A to Z, across the sun-kissed lands. From the ant to the zebra, hear the sounds they make. Learning all your ABCs is fun, for goodness sake, yeah.
O is for owl, saying hoo hoo hoo. P is for penguin, in black and white too. Q is for quail, a bird on the ground.
R is for rhino, so powerful and round.
S is for sheep, with a coat of white wool.
T is for tiger, so beautiful.
U is for urchin, in the ocean sea.
Let's sing the alphabet, come on and clap your hands. With animals from A to Z, across the sun-kissed lands. From the ant to the zebra, hear the sounds they make. Learning all your ABCs is fun, for goodness sake, yeah.
V is for vulture, flying in the sky. W is for wolf, with an echoing cry. X is for X-ray fish, see through and light.
Y is for yak, so fuzzy and bright. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. We've sung the alphabet with all our might.
From A to Z, we know our animals, yeah. NyambeKidz.
If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.